أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Abdullah Malik and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School, Islamabad, Bharakau campus. Today I am doing my Tedx review on the topic of a message of peace from Pakistan by Asher Hasan. So let's start. Asher, Asher Hasan shares a positive image of Pakistan and highlights the importance of unity, humanity, and peace. He explains that Pakistan is often misunderstood in global media, but the country is full of talented, hard- hardworking, and kind people. The talk encouraged viewers to look beyond stereotypes and understand the real culture and spirit of Pakistan. He speaks with confidence and hope, make the audience feel connected to this message, to his message. The TEDx talk focus on changing negative impression through education, innovation, and positive action. Asher Hassan explains how young people can become leaders and create a better future for their communities, and he believes that peace starts when people respect each other and work together despite difference. His ideas inspired the youth to become citizens and use their skills to help society grow. Another important point in the talk is the role of technology and social responsibility in improving lives. He shares examples of how creativity and innovation can solve problems in health, education, and communication. The speaker also highlights the importance of importance of helping others, uh, uh, helping others. The TEDx talk focus on changing negative prediction through education, innovation, and positive action. His idea inspire you to become active citizens and use their skills to help society grow. Another important point in the TEDx talk is the role of technology and social responsibility in improving lives. He shares example of how creativity and invo- innovation can solve problems in health, education, and communication. The speaker also highlighted the importance of helping people and creating opportunity for everyone. His message shows that real progress comes from cooperation, teamwork, and understanding. The, the presentation in style The presentation style is simple, inspiring, and easy to understand for students and young audience. Asher Hassan used personal experience and meaningful example to make his point stronger. The talk motivates listeners to think positively about Pakistan and focus on peace instead of negativity. It encourages people to become more open-minded and respectful toward different cultures and communities. One of the strongest parts of the TEDx talk is its hopeful tone and motivational message. The speaker reminds people that every nation has challenges, but positive challenge is possible through until and hard work. He encourages individuals to become ambassador of peace by spreading kindness, tolerance, and understanding in everyday life. The talk leaves the audience with a feeling of optimism and responsibility for building a better world. Viewers, I understand in this TEDx that the speaker says the Pakistan is very beautiful country and it has uh, no stronger image in the world. So please be positive. Uh, so please be positive. Okay, viewers. So viewers, we will meet in another TEDx talk with another topic. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.